Welcome to our 5 on 5. Please be joined today by Autumn Chadbourne and Dr. Matt Hough from Jackson Care Connect, the medical director and provider relations specialist. Thank you both so much for being here today.
Thank you, Craig.
Thank you. All right, so Autumn, let me start with you. For those who don't know, what is Jackson Care Connect?
Jackson Care Connect is a nonprofit coordinated care organization providing Medicaid coverage to just over 28,000 members here in Jackson County.
Wow.
We provide physical, behavioral, and dental coverage for our members. And as the only nonprofit in the county, or the only nonprofit coordinated care organization in the county, any extra funds that we received, we invest back into the community.
Okay, all right, and we're very excited that you guys are, new docs on call, and we're working with you on this. What can viewers expect to see this season?
Sure. Well, this season, they can expect to see a variety of healthcare professionals really focusing on that whole body health. Because we cover physical health, behavioral health, and dental coverage, you're going to hear from our specialty providers, primary care providers. There will be dentists available to take calls, as well as behavioral health professionals who can really answer callers' questions regarding whole body health.
Okay, yeah, it's always been fascinating to me. It could be an orthopedist one day and a dentist the next.
Right.
It's always run the gamut. I do love that. So,
and we're really fortunate to work with such a variety, diverse provider community.
Absolutely, well said. All right, so Dr. Hough, you guys are celebrating your 5th anniversary, I believe, this month. What successes are we celebrating?
Well, we have a number of things we're celebrating. The first, we increased our membership from 2012 by 50%.
Wow.
So a lot of those members probably did not have health insurance prior to becoming Jackson Care Connect members. That means now that there are a lot of people who are sleeping more comfortably at night, knowing that they have comprehensive health care coverage. Secondly, we're celebrating the connections we've made with local organizations. I can think of two, the YMCA and the Family Nurturing Center, just to mention two of many.
Sure.
And it's those partnerships that have actually allowed us to help expand and broaden the definition of healthcare beyond the traditional doctor's office. Third, we're celebrating the innovative programs we've developed, particularly with integration of behavioral health into the primary care setting. We've offered generous grants to providers for them to be able to do this. And this means for Jackson Care Connect members, many of them can receive on-the-spot help with their mental health care needs right there in the doctor's office. And lastly, we're celebrating improvement in care. So we've been collaborating with many of our major partners which has led to improvements in the management of such conditions like diabetes or hypertension, which means there are a lot more healthy Jackson Care Connect members leading healthier lives.
Sure. Okay. Wow. A lot going on in 5 years. So where do we go from here?
Well, we think we have the right formula. We'll need to make some tweaks, some adjustments, but we're committed to our goals, which are the quadruple aim. And that means, one, better health outcomes for our members. That means that they're happier as they navigate through the healthcare experience. That means happier providers, and that means lower costs for the health system in general.
There you go. Everybody wins, right?
Yes, that's
the
absolutely
goal.
true.
There's nothing wrong with that. Very good. Autumn, great to see you.
Thank you.
Dr. Hough, thank you for being here. Appreciate it.
Thank you, Craig.
All right, stay with us. We'll be right back.